Hey everyone, if you're thinking about shopping at maryscloset.com, let me give you the real scoop before you hit that checkout button. So, is Mary's Closet legit, or just another scam? I dug into what real customers are saying, and honestly, it's not looking good. Here's what you need to know. First, let's talk about delivery, or the lack of it. Tons of shoppers say their orders took weeks, sometimes more than a month to arrive. And for some, the package never even shows up. That's a huge red flag right there. And when the clothes actually arrive, people are describing them as super low quality. Think see-through material, cheap stitching, and nothing like the cute photos on the website. It's basically the online shopping nightmare. What you see is definitely not what you get. Now, about refunds. If you try to return something, you're in for a headache. Instead of a full refund, Mary's Closet often offers just 20 to 35% back if you keep the item. And if you want to send something back, you're looking at paying for international shipping, usually to a random address in China. That's expensive, and honestly, most people just give up. What's worse, some users claim they get ignored or even blocked after complaining or asking for their money back. That's not how any trustworthy brand should treat its customers. So my verdict? Stay far away from maryscloset.com. With all these red flags, late deliveries, terrible quality, refund hassles, and ghosting customers, it's just not worth the risk. There are so many better places to shop online that actually care about you. Protect your money, shop smart, and always check reviews before you buy. If you've had your own experience with Mary's Closet, drop it in the comments to help others out.